Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s 6 minus s equals to u. Later that we have s and u. We can swap this one in here. Then we can do about first derivative for the both sides. This one we have negative du, that is about negative number 1, equals to ds, that is about 1 ds. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2, so we put number 2 gone here. So we have u equals to number 4. When s equals to number 4, we put number 4 gone here. So u equals to number 2. So number 2 we change for number 4. Number 4 we change for number 2. S we change for this one. ds we change for negative du. So number 9 minus number 6, we have number 3. Negative and negative, we have positive. This one we have 3 plus u. This one that is about number 9 minus u. The negative will change the sign of number 2 and number 4. That means we need to swap the top and the bottom together. So you got about from number 2 to number 4. Then we can change back for s. So this one I will put capital I, and this one I will put capital I. So we have I plus I equals to this one plus this one. So because they have same common denominator, so we can put this one and this one together. So this one we have number 1. The integration of this one, that is about s, and we put the bounds from number 2 to number 4. And this one we have 4 minus number 2, we have number 2. This one that is about 2i. 2i equals to number 2. So we divide both sides by number 2. So I equals to number 1. And that means this one equals to number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.